Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best toilet wand is probably one of the most overlooked cleaning tools, but it can make a world of difference in keeping your bathroom sparkling and fresh. This handy device simplifies the often unpleasant task of toilet cleaning, allowing you to tackle grime and stains with ease and without the mess of traditional methods. Today, we'll explore the top toilet wands on the market, comparing their features, ease of use, and overall effectiveness to help you find the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Vacplus Automatic Toilet Bowl Cleaner. Tired of scrubbing your toilet? It effectively cleans your toilet tank, pipes, and more, saving you time and effort. Each tablet keeps your toilet fresh for up to 15 days, that's 6 months of clean with one pack. The actual time may vary depending on usage. Simply drop it into the toilet tank, no need to remove the protective film. Let it dissolve completely for at least an hour before flushing. Remember to replace it once it's completely dissolved and faded. It helps maintain a clean tank but doesn't replace regular cleaning. For best results, clean your toilet tank with a brush before using it for the first time. It's safe for your toilet's internal parts. It's the simple and effective way to keep your toilet fresh and clean. Enjoy a sparkling clean toilet without the hassle. What we like? It effectively cleans the toilet tank and pipes, keeping them fresh for months. Each tablet lasts for up to 15 days, saving you time and effort. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to maintain a clean toilet tank, this is the perfect solution for you. What people say? Just drop one into the toilet tank, and it starts working its magic. I appreciate that I don't have to scrub or spend a lot of time on maintenance. Each tablet lasts a good while, and I noticed that my toilet bowl stayed clean and fresh between cleanings. This easy-to-use toilet bowl cleaner has worked wonders for my family. You just take one roll out and put it in the tank. It's a great way to keep the odor down and cleaning to a minimum. One roll lasts a couple days, so this 12-pack lasts a couple of weeks. Also, this one comes in lavender, so we'll be sure enjoy the aroma and it might even help you relax. The Vacplus tablets are highly effective at tackling common toilet issues such as hard water stains, mineral deposits, and unpleasant odors. Users have reported noticeable improvements in the cleanliness of their toilet bowls, with many noting that the tablets help maintain a sparkling, fresh appearance for weeks on end. The powerful formula works continuously, providing round-the-clock cleaning action. Number 4. Scrubbing Bubbles Toilet Wand. Say goodbye to messy toilet bowl scrubbing. This innovative cleaning system makes cleaning quick and easy. You get everything you need: a long-handled wand, a convenient holder, and 4 flushable cleaning pads. It's designed to tackle tough stains and limescale, leaving your toilet sparkling clean. Simply flush away the used pad, no more messy scrubbing or touching dirty brushes. It's perfect for any toilet type, making cleaning simple and efficient. Explore our full range of bathroom cleaning products for a sparkling clean bathroom. We have everything from toilet cleaners to disinfectants. What we like? This system makes cleaning your toilet a breeze. The flushable pads eliminate the mess and hassle of traditional brushes. If you value hygiene and convenience, this is the ideal choice for you. Number 3. Impresa Pumice Stone Cleaner. Are you struggling with those persistent toilet stains? This pumice stone cleaner effortlessly tackles even the toughest watermarks and stains that ordinary cleaners can't touch. It's your new secret weapon for a sparkling clean toilet. But it doesn't stop there. Its long handle makes it perfect for cleaning various surfaces, from barbecue grills and tiles to grout and even swimming pools. One tool for countless cleaning tasks around your home. Simply dampen it and gently scrub. It's that easy. The pumice stone naturally conforms to the surface, making cleaning a breeze. You'll love how effortlessly it removes grime. Experience the natural cleaning power of pumice. It's ideal for removing stubborn limescale, hard water stains, and calcium deposits, leaving your surfaces sparkling and clean. This value pack includes 2 pumice stone cleaners. Keep one in the bathroom and the other handy for all your other cleaning needs. Get double the cleaning power for your money. What we like? It tackles even the most stubborn stains and watermarks with ease. It's not just for toilets, it can also clean grills, tiles, and more. If you need a powerful, natural cleaning solution for various surfaces, this is for you. What people say. The handle is still easy to use and the stone cleans well. It operates as part of the pumice with no loose parts. It works great getting rid of the marks left by hard water in the toilet and sinks. It's super easy to use and doesn't leave any marks. The stains vanished pretty quickly, the toilet bowl didn't scratch and we haven't had any other issues with it. To date, the stains have not reappeared and the toilet looks significantly cleaner. Number 2. Topo Bare Toilet Cleaning Kit. This kit makes cleaning your toilet easier than ever before. It's a complete system designed for convenience and efficiency. You'll receive an extendable handle, a convenient storage caddy, and 40 replaceable sponge brush heads, all infused with a refreshing ocean scent. The 18-inch handle is made from durable ABS material for long-lasting use. Its simple buckle switch makes changing the brush heads quick and easy. Each 2.5-inch sponge head is designed for superior adhesion and cleaning power. A built-in scraper helps create more foam for a more effective clean. It's perfect for regular maintenance, keeping your toilet sparkling clean. It's a simple solution for a cleaner, healthier bathroom. We're dedicated to simplifying your housework. Contact us anytime for support. We're here to help 24/7. What we like. This kit offers a hygienic and efficient way to clean your toilet. The long handle and replaceable heads make cleaning easy and comfortable. If you prefer a disposable and convenient cleaning solution, this is perfect for you. What people say. The disposable aspect of these brushes is a game changer. It eliminates the need to store and sanitize traditional toilet brushes. The bear-shaped head easily reaches under the rim and around the bowl, thoroughly cleaning even the toughest stains and residue. The bristles are sturdy enough to tackle dirt and grime but gentle enough to avoid scratching the porcelain surface of the toilet. The button release works well. The unit is sturdy, easy to clean. Number 1. OSHANG Disposable Toilet Brush. It's made from high-quality materials, ensuring it's both practical and durable. You can trust it to last through many cleanings. This all-in-one cleaner is perfect for daily use. It simplifies your bathroom cleaning routine. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply attach a refill, scrub, and you're done. Enjoy a sparkling clean toilet every time. It comes with 14 refills, so you always have a fresh head ready. Just toss the used ones and replace with a new one. The hygienic design and included holder make storage and replacement easy and convenient. Say goodbye to messy toilet brushes. This brush isn't just functional, it's also stylish. It's a unique and cool addition to your bathroom. What we like. This brush provides a hygienic and long-lasting cleaning solution. The disposable refills eliminate the need for messy scrubbing and ensure lasting freshness. If you value hygiene and convenience, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. It immediately got sudsy and the cleaner got to work. It got the crud and poo off with no problem. The Brillo pad texture of the scrubber really helps clean all the grossness. They work very well. Left my toilet clean. Works great and easy setup. It's important to remember that you will need to lock the pad in after inserting it and they are only meant to be used 1x each. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.